Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a sewing project for an embroidery machine and it is a in the hoop hexagon coaster project. Here we have some fabric glue and then here's the template, and we're going to just spray this with the glue, stick it onto the leather fabric, and then we're just going to cut around this. This will be our coaster shape. And then we're going to repeat this step so we have the back of the coaster cut out. The stabiliser I'm using for this project is water soluble. You can use tear away. Now I'm going to find the design on my machine and do the first step. The stabiliser we hooped will then need to be placed onto the embroidery machine, and then this will embroider a hexagon shape. This is where we're going to place the fabric. Now we're going to stick our fabric onto the stabiliser with the fabric glue. We're going to place this back onto the embroidery machine for the next step. Once the embroidery design is done, we're going to turn over the hoop, we're going to trim any excess thread, and then we're going to glue the other side of the fabric onto the stabiliser. Now it's time to unhoop our stabiliser, and then we can trim around the coaster, and then our project will be complete. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials.